In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Stencil Library Excalidraw. If you're ready to speed up your diagramming and sketching, installing a library of pre-made shapes is a quick win. We'll keep this simple and stick to the official method so everything stays smooth and secure. Start by going to excalidraw.com in your browser. You'll land on a clean, blank canvas. What we want is the library panel, which is where your stencils live. Look toward the top toolbar and click the library icon. It looks like a small grid of squares. That opens the library panel on the side, and this is where you'll add collections of shapes. Now, the easiest way to get high-quality libraries is straight from the official Excalidraw Libraries website. At the bottom of the library panel, click the Browse Libraries button. This will open libraries.excalidraw.com in your browser, usually in a new tab. You're now on the official catalog, which is curated and safe to use. From here, find the library you want to install. You can scroll through the options and choose something that suits your project, like AWS architecture icons for cloud diagrams or system design components for architecture sketches. When you've found a library you want, click the Add to Excalidraw button. It's often marked with a small arrow icon, and it sends the library straight into your open Excalidraw session. After clicking Add to Excalidraw, switch back to your Excalidraw tab. To confirm that it worked, look at the library panel you opened earlier. You should see the new shapes appear there. Sometimes they're grouped under the library name, and you can scroll through to view the items. If you can see those shapes, the library is installed and ready to use. You can now drag any item from the panel right onto your canvas to start building your diagram faster. A couple of quick tips to keep things easy. If you don't immediately see the library icon, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so the top toolbar is fully visible. If the Add button on the website doesn't seem to respond, make sure your Excalidraw tab is still open in the same browser and that no pop-up blockers are interfering with the connection. And for best results, stick to the official library site you just used, since it's designed to integrate seamlessly. That's it. Open Excalidraw, open the library panel, browse the official libraries, add the one you want, and confirm it shows up. You're ready to work smarter with professional stencils right at your fingertips.